Let's take a look at the tree of the hour. And before we start to make its wildest dreams come true, let's take a look at how we got this far. And believe me when I say this will only take about 15 seconds. And now we begin. First, with an inspection. This is a good time to hit the like button for this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, think about hitting the subscribe button, hitting the bell icon so you're notified when we continue to do updates on this zip zap paddywhack tree. And as we go into the cutting mode, the reduction mode, removing branches, selecting branches, think of a comment to leave about which branch you would have cut or which one you wouldn't have cut. This is just our first pass through. It's going to get us started on the final styling destination of this tree. And that is how we do most of a first styling of a rough cut pre-bonsai tree, helping to bring balance back to the plant after an aggressive root removal and repotting. We've removed some of the limbs that were not going to help our composition and lightened the load on the reduced roots to bring food up to these leaves. Now, let's line up the trees and look at them side by side. Here we have the store-bought 1 gallon nursery stock. Here we have the Zip Zap Patty Whack 15-second bonsai tree in all of its glory. And then after our major first styling, we're starting to see the shape of a bonsai tree.